Our family truly appreciates and extends our gratitude to this wonderful ordinance to name a street in our father's name, the Ramon H. Felipe Jr. Street. We thank the City Council, especially Honorable Joe Perez, for recognizing our father's effort for a better change for all of us.
So along with other individuals who have done well and contributed greatly to our city, their name signs shall stand for us as tangible reminders and directional marks, both literally and figuratively, in following through on what they have inspired. And at present, it shall be our vision of Naga being an Maogmang Lugar, a healthy city that is peaceful, vibrant, and productive, safe, and smart, green, and resilient, among others. Lugod, padagos po kitang matawan inspirasyon, kan sa indang naging buhay, asin husay, nadusay, serbisyo.